Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our podcast.
Hi, everyone. Happy New Year to all of you. We hope you are doing well.
New Year is a special time for many people.
Yes, people feel excited and positive at this time.
Today, we are going to talk about the New Year in simple English. Many English learners want to talk about New Year, but they feel shy or nervous. That is okay. Making mistakes is part of learning.
Today, we will use very easy English and slow sentences.
You can listen carefully and repeat after us.
Practice with us and feel more confident.
Lena, can you tell us, what is New Year?
New Year is the beginning of a new year. It comes after the last day of December.
Yes, the last day of December is called New Year's Eve. New Year Day is on the 1st of January.
People around the world celebrate this day in different ways.
Some people celebrate with music and lights.
Some people celebrate quietly at home.
But the meaning of New Year is the same everywhere.
It is a time to start fresh.
How do people usually feel on New Year?
Most people feel happy and excited.
Some people feel hopeful about the future.
Yes, people think about their life and their goals.
They think about what they want to change.
They also think about what they want to improve.
New Year feels like a new beginning.
It feels like a fresh start.
That is why many people love New Year.
It gives positive energy.
How can we wish someone on New Year in English?
The easiest way is to say, Happy New Year.
You can say this to anyone.
You can also say, Wish you a very happy New Year.
This sounds polite and friendly.
Some people say, Happy New Year to you and your family.
This wish shows care and respect.
You can use these wishes with friends, family, teachers, or colleagues.
You can say these wishes in person, on the phone, or in messages.
Simple wishes are always good.
What do people usually do on New Year Day?
Many people celebrate with their family and friends.
Some people go to parties or watch fireworks at night.
Yes, fireworks are very popular on New Year.
Some people prefer to stay at home.
They cook good food and enjoy meals together.
People also watch movies or listen to music.
Some people dance and some people relax.
Everyone celebrates in their own way.
The most important thing is to feel happy.
Lena, what is a New Year resolution?
A resolution is a promise you make to yourself.
People make resolutions to improve their life. Yes, they want to become better in the new year. For example, eating healthy food every day.
Or exercising daily to stay fit.
Some people want to wake up early.
Some people want to save money.
Many people also want to learn something new.
Resolutions help people stay focused.
Can you share your New Year resolution, Lena?
Yes, my resolution is to improve my English.
That is a very good and useful goal.
I want to speak English with confidence.
Do you have a plan for that?
Yes, I will practice a little every day.
That is the best way to learn.
Even small practice can make a big difference. Consistency is very important.
Yes, I will not give up. So friends, this is how you can talk about New Year in English.
You do not need difficult words.
Use simple sentences and speak slowly.
Do not be afraid of making mistakes.
Mistakes help us learn.
Practice speaking every day, even for a few minutes.
Thank you for listening to our podcast today.
We hope this episode helped you.
See you in the next episode.
Happy New Year once again.